Welcome back friends. In this video we are going to discuss about how the demand of a cryptocurrency will be rising and how the demand will fall along with the coin burning strategy, airdrops and how to trade the cryptocurrencies. In the first video I have told you about how the currencies of Venezuela and Zimbabwe has got weakened due to the overprinting of their currencies and how the Kuwait dinar and Bahrain dinar have gained their currency value by exporting the crude oil to other countries. The demand of cryptocurrencies also works somewhat like that. As of now, there are 18 million bitcoins in the open market and 3 million bitcoins are yet to be added, which totals of 21 million bitcoins. The founders of the Bitcoin have decided only to release 21 million bitcoins in the market. So, as I have told you in the previous video, with every creation of the new block, 6.25 bitcoins are added in the blockchain environment of the Bitcoin. If you take Ethereum, there are 120 million Ethereum coins in the market, and with every creation of the new block in the blockchain of the Ethereum, 5 Ethereum coins are created. This is how the algorithm of the Bitcoin and Ethereum works. So there are different algorithms for different cryptocurrencies. So let's take an example of how the demand of cryptocurrencies will be fluctuating. Let's assume that there are 100 Ethereum coins in the market and each Ethereum coin costs $1. So in order to buy that Ethereum coins, we need to load our currency, that is either rupees or dollar, into our wallets. Then we have to buy those Ethereum coins. Also assume that there are only 100 owners of the 100 Ethereum coins. That means one Ethereum coin per each owner. If some new person wants to buy those Ethereum coins, you should place a buy order. So when any one of these 100 people will agree for that transaction, then the price will be changing. That is, if the new person places an order at $1.5 per Ethereum coin, and if any one of the 100 owners agrees for that price, then the price of the Ethereum will be changing from $1 to $1.5. So as the same goes with the decreasing price, if any one of the 100 holding persons of the Ethereum coins is willing to sell the Ethereum coin at $0.5, then the market price of the Ethereum coin will be decreased to $0.5. To get a clear-cut trading concept of this, please do watch the video which is mentioned in the I button. In that I have explained about price change of a stock, that is how do stock prices change. The concept is similar to this. There we can see that we'll be taking a stock price instead of cryptocurrencies and rest everything is the same. So please do watch the video to get a clear understanding of how the prices change. Then comes the another way of creating a demand of cryptocurrencies is by giving the airdrops. Airdrops are nothing but free cryptocurrencies which are given by the founders or co-founders or promoters of the cryptocurrencies. They will be giving the free cryptocurrencies to the users. If you want those airdrops, that is free cryptocurrencies, you need to register with your email ID, your wallet address and some personal details in the cryptocurrency website, and then they will be giving you an intimation the cryptocurrencies will be given. So at that time you will be receiving that cryptocurrencies in your wallet. After that, either you can sell or you can hold it for the future purpose. This is one kind of a marketing strategy which founders regularly use so that to increase the circulation of the currency and also to maintain the demand of the currency. Another marketing strategy is like introducing these cryptocurrencies in casinos, gaming and other services. For example, take PUBG game, that is PlayerUnknown Battlegrounds. In that game, if you want to purchase some guns or outfits, you need money. So if some of the cryptocurrency owners tie up with these games and they introduce their coins in that game, so everyone will be start purchasing those coins in the exchange of the real currency. So in the game they have to spend only those cryptocurrencies, which creates a circulation of the currency and also rise in the prices. This is another method to increase the demand. Also, some of the founders will be giving free cryptocurrencies for doing some particular tasks like retweeting their tweets and playing games, clicking on the ads and promotions and the campaigns run by them. So all these things are run by the cryptocurrency owners or promoters. By doing this, we will be getting those cryptocurrencies in our wallets in the exchange of the tasks which they have given to us. The founder of Ethereum coin has donated some Ethereum coins to our government for the purpose of COVID-19 relief fund. So what he has done is he has given those Ethereum coins so that our government can spend those Ethereum coins in the exchange of some goods or services. By this, there will be an increase in the circulation of those cryptocurrencies and then the increase of the demand. So by promoting all these kind of stuffs, the demand can be increased. Another strategy is the coin burning strategy. In this strategy, the owners of these cryptocurrencies will be sending cryptocurrencies to the unknown wallets which doesn't have any physical existence. By entering the random public address which doesn't exist in the open market, they will be sending those coins to their wallets. After that, the coins will be lost forever. So by doing this, they are creating a shortening of the circulation so that the demand for the cryptocurrencies shall increase. The opposite of this is the releasing of the bulk coins in the open market so that to create a stable prices. So once the bulk coins are released, the overpriced cryptocurrencies will be falling down to the correction value and maintain a stable value for the cryptocurrencies. So some of the ways to earn cryptocurrencies are by doing trading, by buying the cryptocurrencies, playing some games in the exchange of those cryptocurrencies, and mining. Some of the popular wallets of cryptocurrencies are Binance Coin, WazirX, Coinbase, CoinSwitch, and there are a lot more wallets in the market. So choose any one of them to buy or sell the cryptocurrencies. In the next video, I'll be telling about how the cryptocurrencies are manipulated and how to make an investment decision to buy a cryptocurrencies. Please do like the video, subscribe my channel, share it with your friends. Thanks a lot for watching the video.